As a researcher, you often find yourself tasked with conducting surveys and reaching out to a lot of participants via email. To get started, you'll need 3 essential tools: Microsoft Word, Excel, and Outlook. Begin by compiling a list of your recipients in Excel like this. So here I have first name, last name, a due date, and email for each participant like this. Once you have this, you save it in your disk. Next, open up Microsoft Word, and then craft your email message that you want to send to each participant. Here I'll just paste the ones that I have. Now once you have the email crafted, go to Mailings tab, start mail merge, email messages, then select recipient, use an existing list. Go to the folder that we saved the list from, and then we know that first row of that table had the headers though, so we consider first row of data contents column headers. Check that one. Okay, we know that there were 4 lists, so 4 list is imported. What do you want? We want first name here, so click here, insert merge, first name, last name, due date. We need the first name here, and then we want the due date here, right? You can preview results, see first list, first name 1, name 2, name 3, name 4, right? Now if we're happy with the preview, you can go to finish and merge, send email messages to, we want to send to all the emails we have in the list, subject line, mail format HTML, and then we want to send records to all of the participants list. Once it's done, you can click OK. Once you're done with that, you can go to Outlook, go to the Outbox, see that they're all in the list here, and they should be sent to each individual participant. You can go to send items. You can see this example 1, example 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. With these simple steps, you are well on your way to streamlining your communication process and adding that personal touch to your emails as well.